How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys, and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what is Temu affiliate program, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individuals and businesses to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Temu provides the tools and resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into temu.com. As you can see, this is the website, and you have here various products. You can select your favorite products if you want. Then if you want to be an affiliate partner, all you have to do is just scrolling down and click over here. Affiliate and influencer earn commission. So this is the home page. You can get started. But before you scroll down to know important information and notes, here we have over the 3,000 people have joined. Also, we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. Join like enlist in our thriving community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Here we have strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. We have earn, achieve between 10 and 30, 100% commissions on qualifying push on and programs, leveraging competitive conversions for maximum earns. Also, we have here frequently asked questions. What is the Temu affiliate program and how does it work? What is Temu? Does Temu run a new referral or affiliate programs? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw commission rewards? All you have to do is click over here if you want to get your answers for each question you need to know or you want. Let's read how to do sign up to the program. Simply click the sign up button to continue. Once you sign up, you will obtain your affiliate link and code, which you can use to recommend new users to Temu. Then you can just, if you want to sign up, you can just click over here, join now, and you write your email or phone number. Then you continue. You can also use Google, Facebook, App Store, or other options to sign up. After your inscription, if people come to your link, they click on your link. First of all, after your inscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all, you will get commission whatever they buy, but they will get also $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people. Also, you can win a competition, you can get prizes. So all you have to do is join, share, and earn. The main way to help you to earn money is using your social media. By creating content, you don't need to show your face. All you have to do is use Pinterest for finding a products, pictures, and ChatGPT for description. Here we have some ways to earn money on Temu. First, we have sell physical products, list and sell items such as handmade crafts, apparel, electronics, or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. Then we have offer digital products, sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses, or digital arts. Digital products have the advantage of low shipping costs and instant delivery. Then we have providing services, offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistance. Credible service lessons with clear pricing and delivery times. Also, we have affiliate marketing, promote other sellers' products and earn commissions. On sales generated, draw your referral links, such as social media, blogs, or email marketing to reach a broader audience. Then we have finally dropshipping. Set up a dropshipping businesses where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Here we have some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. First, we have selling physical products. As an example, we can use handmade jewelry, as you can see here. For production, we have handcrafted bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. For description, we have detailed description highlighting materials, craftsmanship, and unique design. For image, we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wearing the jewelry. For pricing, we have competitive pricing based on material costs, time invested, and market demand. Second one, we have offering digital products. You can use online courses as an example. For description, we have course syllabus, learning learning objectives and benefits for students. For delivery, we have digital downloads or access to a learning management system. For pricing, we have one-time free or subscription based access to course materials. Third one, we have providing services. You can use freelance writings as an example, as you can see here. Description, we have explanation of services including topics covered, word count, and turnaround time. For service, we have content writing for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. For pricing, we have per word or per project basis with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. The first one, we have affiliate marketing. We have teach catch as an example, as you can see here. Production, we have promote smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers. Method, we have share affiliate links on a teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Commission, we have earn a percentage of sales made through your referral links. Content, we have write reviews, unboxing, or how to guide to attract potential buyers. The last one, we have drop shopping. You can use home decor as an example, as you can see here. Production, we have 20 home decor items like wall art, rugs, or lighting. Supplier, we have partnered with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Storefront, we have create a branded online store showcasing the product. Marketing, we have used social media ideas, influencer partnerships, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. Customer service, we can use handle customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. So making on Temu is an available opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online business. By following these steps and leveraging Temu's features, you can build a successful venture. Whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers, Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So this is for this video, guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.